Today I'm sharing my top 4 speedy face painting designs that I can paint in under 1 minute each, and I'm sure that if you practice, you can too. This is perfect for busy parties, school events, festivals, anywhere where you're faced with a long line of kids waiting to get their face painted. I'm keeping it super simple. 5 brushes, 4 split cakes, and just 2 solid colors. That is it. If you'd like to follow along with those colors, the links for those products are in the description below. These designs are fast, crowd pleasers, and specifically chosen to help you improve in your speed and help you move those lines quickly without sacrificing quality, as they are quite amazing and still bright and beautiful. I'll walk you through each design step by step, show you exactly what brushes and split cakes colors to use, and share some other face painting tips for you. All right, so let's get started. We're going to load up our 3/4 inch flat angled brush. If you're curious about learning how to load split cakes properly, the link is up the top. That's another video, and I'll put a link in the description for a tutorial that really takes you through all the troubleshooting things that we, must sort of tackle when we are learning how to load up split cakes. So when loading, we really want to make sure we've got that lovely creamy consistency ratio of water to paint and that it's nicely loaded. Okay, so to start off with, we just want to make sure that we start at the center of the face. So I'm going to proceed to doing my little brush strokes out and pointing up. We're going to do a nice little curve out and in, focal point being the middle. So when you're bringing those brush strokes in, always refer it to the middle. Bring it right in. Now it doesn't really matter if we don't fill in the middle area, because that's where that flower will land. Now we're going to rotate the brush up, so we've got the heel of the brush up and the tip of the brush pointing down. From here we're going to start right about there and bring it out and over, and it's going to end right there where the eyelashes end. And for the other side, we're going to do exactly the same, bringing it around, leading with the tip of the brush as we curve down. Now with our 1/2 inch flat brush, I've dipped that into the water. I've swiped off any excess from that brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to load the darker part of that Amazon split cake by Fusion. The darker part's going to come onto the heel of the brush, and we'll have some lighter green on the tip of the brush. Okay, once you have that nicely loaded, we're going to do exactly the same shape, however in very small versions right here. These are going to be the little leaves. And again here. The idea is to have them small but effective. So now we're going to grab our Prime Pro Paraffin White by Fusion, which is absolutely my favorite for double dipping flowers. This white is very strong and it really works well over high pigmented colors. So loading that up nicely, making sure that it's nice and creamy consistency all the way to the ferrule of the brush. Once you've loaded that, dab the tip onto a little towel. I always have a towel handy in my kit. And from there, we'll be able to pick up some of this royal purple from Fusion. We just want to pick up the tip of the Floral brush with that purple. All right, now to do these larger looking petals, I'm using the Floral brush. I'm going to bring it to a bit of an angle, so I'm going to position to where the petals will cover this area that we don't want really to be exposed. On a slight angle, I'm going to press down and then along the side, press down, always having that center point as a focal. Bit of an angle, press right down. The thickness of your petal really depends on how much you press down. Making another flower right here. I'm going to go right. I'm going to do a half flower. And another flower right here. We're going to angle that brush even more so to do these diagonal petals. So the more you angle it, the thinner your petals get. And sort of stagger them. So you've got 1, 2, 3. That's what I like to do, just to give it a more balanced, symmetrical look. Super quick design, very effective. You can try this with different color split cakes. Now we're gonna load our number 3 round brush with that paraffin white by Fusion, and we're going to dab on the dot for the middle of the flower. The same for the sides. And to finish it off, I always like to add some teardrops. Pressing down, lifting up as we move, and up, doing 3, pointing up to the flower, and that'll do it. And there you have it, a really quick 1-minute floral crown design, which you can put on your face painting board. I always recommend to have a board for quicker face painting designs, and then a more complex board for when you have more time at parties. This is more of a long line, quick face painting for festivals, etc., to make your life a little bit easier. And we're going to start off by loading Leanne's rainbow flower with our 3/4 inch flat angled brush. So I'll start the rainbow round about where the eyebrow commences, and we're going to curve it up and coming down, leading with the tip of the brush as you come down, starting where the eyebrow starts and coming up, leading with the tip of the brush right to the edge. Loading up Wild Berry by Fusion, lovely split cake, some really lovely colours here, purples, pinks and the turquoises, really make every design pop. And from here I'm just going to come in and do a loop up, very simple, and a loop to the other side, leading with the tip as we come back in. Down the bottom, filling in the inside with the heel of the brush. With our 1/2 inch flat angled brush, I want to pick up some of that Amazon split cake that we used before, and I want to make sure that the dark green is right at the tip and the lighter is at the heel of the brush. Now what I want to do here is just create some little leaf-like additions right here, and the focal point again is right in the middle. So with all of these, a rounded one right to the end. So right up the top we're coming down, pushing out, leading with the tip of the brush, coming in. Then the other one coming down, leading with the tip, curving in, and then doing a curved. And now just for the middle of the butterfly, with our Floral brush, I'm going to bring it right down to where the bottom of those wings meet. And I'm going to bring it right flat, so then it's almost like its body. And then with the tips, make the little antenna. Right here where the leaf-like looking wings are, I'm just going to make some petals with that Floral brush. Some petals coming from the wings. And to finish off, we're just going to do some dots and some swirls and curls. Some dots sort of where the center of those petals are. And I'm just going to bring a curl from where this petal is right up into a little swell. Little curl. Finish off just some detail just to complete it. Last of the curls just down the bottom. Really doesn't take long. Little curls can really make something look so much more special. Such an easy design which can really be executed in about a minute. I have loaded up a petal sponge with Pearl Magenta Dream from Fusion. And I'm basically going to, I normally ask the child to close their eyes, and I like to just bring it down where the eyelid is, just over the eyelid. And for this one, we're going to bring it right up the top to just a fraction, and then over the other eyelid. Now, because I want to pick up absolutely all of those colors and have quite a thick rainbow, I'm using an inch flat brush, and you want to work your brush nicely against that split cake to pick up absolutely every color for your rainbow. Once it's loaded, we're going to bring the brush flat to where the arch of the eyebrow is. And we're going to make a nice half circle all the way over into a diagonal. So with your rose princess, you want to make sure that the tip of the brush is on the white and the heel of the brush is on the darker pink. Just making sure that we've got a nice contrast there so that our rose can look nice and defined. So I'm going to bring it up and down, bringing it up and down. And the other outer right here into a little point. Now for the inner of the rose, I want to make sure that we load up again just to make sure that that white tip is nicely defined. Sort of round about here, out and up into an upside down C or a U if you like. And then from there on the outer, I just want to come up sort of halfway up from that C and bring it in and around. And another one from around here, in and around, and then toward the bottom, halfway between those two petals, we do another outer. I'll just define that little petal. And this one again. Sometimes it's okay to go over the petals just to redefine the edges. And now for the leaves. I just want to bring it out and in, and out and in, and another one out to the tip, and then coming out and down. Again on the other side, we're going to do one on this side, wiggling it out and then coming in with that brush nicely on an angle. And again with that number 3 round brush, just load it slightly, and we're just going to do some little details right here. Some little eyelashes. So they're just teardrops coming in, some quick little dots here, around here, and hugging the eye. And there you have it, a really quick 1 minute face painting rose rainbow design, really popular with the girls, and you can get this done in under 1 minute. Okay, for this one, it's a really pretty one. We position the rose right here on the side of the face, but around it, we want to put a lovely rainbow. It's super easy, super quick, but very effective, and it always looks beautiful. So dabbing on the Pearl Magenta Dream that I've put onto a petal sponge, lightly dabbing on. Again, I've loaded up my 3/4 inch flat angled brush with Rainbow Flower from Fusion. So I'm going to bring the tip of the brush facing up, and we're going to curve it down, curve it into a little angle, and then bring it to the edge of the face. Exactly the same here. I'm going to flip it so the tip is facing the bottom, and onto a little angle, we're going to bring it down, curve it, leading with that tip. All right, so for our rose, we're going to grab our Princess Rose by Fusion, and we're going to pick up that white at the tip of the brush again, using our 1/2 inch flat angled brush, and we're going to do that lovely, lovely rose. So just doing the outer, we want to bring it down close to the edge of the eyebrow, bring it up and down. Bring it up, kink it, and then bring it flat onto an angle. The focal point is right here. The tip is on the outer, the tip of the brush. Bring it down and in. So always aiming for 5 big, wide petals, always coming to the center focal point, and they're fairly close together. Wriggling it and leading with the brush. Now, if you feel like you need to reload your brush, by all means do. The white always has to be nice and vibrant on the tip. So I'm going to come around here and do my C along there. And now hugging that C, pressing down, leading with the tip coming in. The other side, pressing down, leading with the tip. And now down the bottom, pressing down, leading with the tip. You want to go around the C. Now using our Amazon, we're going to load our 1/2 inch flat brush. So give that brush a nice little clean, and making sure that the tip comes onto the lighter green and the heel of the brush has most of the darker green. All right, now just for the leaves, I just want to start right here, coming down and up into a tip, leading with that tip of the brush, coming right down, curving it back in. So we do another one right here. And for here, I'm going to bring it flat and then out around, leading with the tip, back to where those petals meet. And again, point, leading with the tip and shaping it back. Bring your brush upside down and do exactly the same. Coming down, out and around. Picking up with our number 3 round brush, our Paraffin White by Fusion, and just doing some little dots here and there. Really accentuating those lovely colours. I'm going to bring some strips down, and I'll bring some swirls right down over. And another one. Another one coming up and down. Pressing down, flicking out. A beautiful, quick rose rainbow face painting design that you can really push out in 1 minute.